Hey there, awesome creators! You tired of using the same old boring fonts in your video editing? You want to make your text stand out and add some flair to your videos? Look no further, because we got just the thing for you. It's called curved text. Now you can enhance your videos and show off your creativity with curved text. With just a few clicks, you can warp text around a circle or bend it easily. If you want to learn more about this new feature, keep watching. Before we get started, make sure you have installed Wondershare Filmora. Head to the official website, download the latest version, and install it on your computer. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Curved text gives you the flexibility to experiment with different font styles and sizes while maintaining the curvature effect. Additionally, using curved text adds depth and dimensionality to your designs by breaking away from traditional horizontal alignments. Now, let's talk about the benefits of the curved text in video editing. 1. Enhance visual appeal. Curved text can be a game changer when it comes to enhancing your editing projects. Whether you're working on a logo, designing social media posts, editing wedding videos, or creating travel videos, adding curved text can instantly elevate the visual appeal and make your video more catchy and stand out. 2. Easy and efficient. With Filmora, you can bend or curve your text easily. It's easy to access and a very efficient and time-saving feature when adding text to your project. 3. Amp up the fun. Elevate your social media with amazing curved typography. You can create and animate curved typography using keyframes. There's so much you can do with curved text. Filmora's curved text feature can create eye-catching social media content. It can be used in travel vlogs, daily vlogs, and by creators in the beauty and fashion industry to enhance product presence. Additionally, it's a great tool for marketers and advertisers to design engaging marketing videos and social media posts. Gamers can also utilize this feature when editing gaming videos. Now that we understand the benefits of curved text, let's explore where you can find this new feature in Filmora and how to use it with ease. Step 1. Launch Filmora and click on the new project to go to the editing board. Step 2. Drag and drop your footage to the project media folder, or you can click on Import to get footage from your computer. Step 3. Place your footage onto the timeline, then go to the titles, drop any title of your choice onto the timeline, and enter your text. Step 4. Select the title, then go to the setting panel and scroll down. You will see a new shape option in the compositing section. On it, and you will get 4 presets to create curved text. Click on a preset to convert your normal text to curved text. Step 5. With the help of a strength slider, you can adjust the degree of the curved text. That's it. It's that simple to convert your boring-looking horizontal text to curved text. Make sure to download or update your Filmora to the latest version using the link provided in the description. This update includes the new curved text feature for you to explore and enjoy. If you love this new feature, show your support by giving the video a big thumbs up and sharing it with your fellow editors and creators. And if you're hungry for more visual effects and tutorials, don't forget to visit filmora.wondershare.com. Get ready to unleash your creativity like never before. See you in the next one.